How to gain more followers on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can gain more followers on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to gain more followers on Instagram, now there isn't a specific blueprint to be able to get more followers. It also depends upon you, your content and so on, but I can share a couple of tips myself. First of all, what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram, come to your profile page. What you're sharing on Instagram should not be totally personal but also relatable to the audience. Unless you're a celebrity or a public figure, what you're sharing should also be like something you're adding value to the other people's life. Only then they will actually hit the follow button. Even though it is free, people are not going to follow you unless they actually get any sort of value from you. They don't want spam accounts in their following list. Another thing, of course, public account, that's basic thing. You don't want to make sure you have a private account. If better, then what you can also do is you can just try to switch to professional account by coming to account here, going to switch to professional account, trying to switch to a business or creator account or whatever else you prefer. Another thing is simply share reels. So if you're not sharing reels, then of course it's very hard for you to rank on Instagram. Instagram basically has this new section where they say reel, and you can just tap the plus icon from the bottom in order to be able to add reels. And whenever you're adding a post or maybe a reel or maybe any of the stories or whatever else that you prefer, in this case right here, what you actually want to do is you want to make sure to actually add popular hashtags. So if you're not sharing hashtags, then you're missing out on a huge deal. You might just want to actually add hashtags whenever you're trying to tag people or simply trying to add a caption to this. So hope this video will help you actually get more followers on Instagram. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.